Hi, welcome back. I'm going to go through the first 6 problems in the tape diagram to hopefully help you understand these problems. So number 1 says the rope is cut into 3 pieces, P, Q, and R. The lengths of the pieces in the ratio are 3 to 5 to 7. P, Q, and R are 3 to 5 to 7. If the rope is 33 feet 9 inches long, find the length of each. So I should write P, Q, and R, 3, 5, 7. Okay? And I know it's 33, the total is 33 feet 9 inches. The problem here is we have to stick to one unit. So either we deal with feet or we deal with inches. So I'm going to convert my feet to inches by multiplying this by 12. So if I multiply this by 12, I get 396, and we can't forget to add the 9. This means I have 405 total inches. Okay, 405 total inches. That means my entire total is worth 405. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces. So I'm going to take 405 and I'm going to cut it into 15 pieces to find out what each piece is worth. So I know each piece is going to be worth 105 divided by 15. 27, okay? So in each box, I'm going to write 27. And that's going to tell me what each piece is worth. So now in P, I'm going to take 27 and multiply it by 3. I'm going to take 27 and multiply it by 5. And I'm going to take 27 and multiply that by 7. So if I do the math for each of those, 27 times 3, that's going to give me 81. 27 times 5, that's going to give me 135 inches. And if I take 27 and multiply that by 7, I'm going to get 189 inches. And there's the answer to that problem. Okay, let's go over number 2. Number 2 says Alice, Bernice, and Cheryl shared some stamps to the ratio of 8, 9, and 18. Alice received 184 stamps. So Alice, Bernice, and Cheryl had the ratio of 8 to 9 to 18. Okay, so Alice has 8 boxes.
15? Hey, you're here.
Okay, so Alice has 8, so I'm drawing that tape diagram. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bernice has 9. And Cheryl has 18. So we'll have to get creative at the end of this. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So again, I probably didn't draw my tape diagram as best as I could. But either way, we know Alice has 184. So just this line is equal to 184. So we're going to take 184 and divide it into 8 pieces. So 184 divided into 8 pieces. Each piece is going to be worth 23. So I'm going to be writing 23 in all of these boxes. And then if I want to know how much B and C is. So at the end of this, I'm going to take 23 and multiply it by 9. And here, I'm going to take 23, don't make this a habit, 23 times 18. So let's do that math. 23 times 9 is 207. And 18 times 9 is going to be 162. Some 18 times 23 is going to be 414. I was like, that can't be right. So I want B plus C as my final answer. 207 plus 414 is going to equal 621 total. Let's go over number 3. Number 3 says Alan, Gil, and Deb's point score in the video game was 2 to 3 to 4. A to G to Deb was 2 to 3 to 4. And we know that Deb equals 114,400 points. So again, I'm going to draw my tape diagram, AGD, of 2 to 3 to 4. Okay, and so we know Deb is 114,400, and we're going to take that number and we're going to divide it into 4 pieces since we have 4 spots for Deb. 114,400 divided by 4. 114. Oops, careful with your calculator work. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. If you press it too hard. Oops, too many zeros. 1, 1, 4, 4, 0, 0. Divided by 4 tells me I got 28,000. So each box is going to be worth 28,600. So in the first one, I'm going to take 28,600 and multiply it by 2. 28,600 and multiply it by 3. So let's multiply it by 3, and we got 85,800. And if we take 28,600 and times it, right? And times it by 2. Oops. So you can see how easy it is to make errors on the calculator, even though I was intending not to do that. 57,200. The final question asks us, how much did Gil score? So Gil scored 85,800. And how many points did they score in all? So we want to take 57200 plus 20 plus 2 minus 2 since I accidentally entered it, plus 85800 plus 114. Ooh, this calculator. So another way to think about it is if I take 28,600, I'd be better off just doing the math. 57200, 85800, 114,400, 0, we know this is 14, 12, 13 plus 4 is 17, this is 10, 15, 20, 257,400 is my total there. Okay, so in the next video I'll go over over examples 4, 5, and 6.